Before you trust any big software for your business, you want to know how good their support and community are. Because when things go wrong, setup, bugs, questions, good help and a helpful community save a lot of stress. In this video, we explored the support and the user community of GoHighLevel and what you should know before using it. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose tools that work with as little hassle as possible. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description. By using that link, you can get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses to get started with GoHighLevel. Now let's get into the main part of the video and how GoHighLevel community and the support system works, and understand what is good, what to watch out for, and how to get the most from it. GoHighLevel offers a few different support options to help the customers. You can get help by live chat when logged in. You can open a support ticket via email, and you can even call the support by phone or join a live Zoom call if needed. This variety helps because you can pick the channel you like depending on your problem. Many users say that sometimes support is very helpful. On public review sites, people describe getting quick answers, especially on onboarding or during tricky problems. If you have publicly named individual support staff saying solved problem, explained clearly, or wire patience even in every situation. Also, GoHighLevel offers a knowledge-based guides and documentation to help the new user to learn the system on their own. For many, especially those who are comfortable with learning by reading or following tutorial, this is very useful resource. Beyond official support, there is also user community around GoHighLevel. People can join forum, social media groups, and public discussion spaces to ask questions, share ideas and templates, and solve the problem together. This community can sometimes act like a safety net when official support is slow, fellow users help. But nothing is perfect. Some users complain that support can be hit or miss. If you say that they waited for a long time for replies from the live chat or email, or had to push to get the resolution for complex problem. Others say that certain features, for example email services or advanced automation, that comes with extra cost or require most configuration, which makes learning or support more demanding. Because GoHighLevel is quite powerful and has many tools combined, there is a learning curve. For new user with little experience, at the first time, it may feel complex. This means you might rely on support or the community help more. So good support becomes more important. Also, some complain that training materials or tutorial are not always updated after new version or changes. So documentation or guides may become outdated, which makes self-help harder. If you work with client or team members, agencies or freelancers, the community and the support becomes even more important. A lively community helps you to find templates, ready-made workflow, or advice from other users who face the similar problem or challenges. GoHighLevel's community resources and support structure can be a strong benefit here. So what should you try first when you start to GoHighLevel to test the support or the community before fully relying on it? Start with the simple issues. Send a message to the support and ask a question in community forum. Try a simple setup, see how fast and helpful the responses is. Test if the knowledge based or tutorial help you. If the support and the help are good for small task, you will likely to get help for the bigger task. In conclusion, GoHighLevel's support team and the community are a mix of strong advantages and some drawbacks also. The many support channels, helpful staff often prized by users, and active user community make it a good choice, especially if you are ready to learn and ask for help when needed. But because of the complexity and the occasional delays or outdated materials, you need to be patient and ready to use those support resources wisely. So that's it basically. I hope now you understand about this support and the community on GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand what to expect from GoHighLevel's community and the support, give it a like and share it with the friends who is thinking about using it. Don't forget to use the link from description to get these special offers on GoHighLevel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.